In previous lecture, we will discuss about the hydration of alkene. Means we are discuss there ethene when treated with water molecule, it gives ethanol on the basis of Markovnikov's rule. And in present video, it is in video number 4, we are discussing hydroboration oxidation. This is second hydrolysis of alkene. Boron hydride readily adds to alkene to form tertiary trialkyl boron, which on oxidation with alkaline aqueous H2O2 molecule gives primary alcohol diboron, that is B2H6, adds to alkene as boron BH3. The reaction follows anti-Markovnikov's addition across the double bond and is called as hydroboration oxidation reaction. This is an important method to prepare long chain primary alcohol. As you know about Markovnikov's rule in our previous lecture. So what is Markovnikov's rule? When unsymmetrical reagent is treated with unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part of the reagent goes to that carbon atom which containing less number of hydrogen atom across the double bond. This statement is known as Markovnikov's rule. And anti-Markovnikov's rule is stated that when unsymmetrical alkene is treated with unsymmetrical reagent, the negative part of the reagent goes to that carbon which containing more number of hydrogen atom across the double bond of alkene. This statement is known as anti-Markovnikov's rule. So the example of first understand the example of anti-Markovnikov's rule. Here the first structure, that is propane 1-ol, is a proper product of according to the anti-Markovnikov's rule. Here what do you see? The negative part of the reagent, that is water. The negative part of the water is OH group, is attached to that carbon atom which containing more number of hydrogen atom across the double bond, that is from CS2 side, and hydrogen atom is goes to the less number of hydrogen atom. Okay, the first example or the first product is a correct or proper product for the anti-Markovnikov's rule, and second product is proper product according to the Markovnikov's rule. So just see the example of hydroboration oxidation. When propene is treated with diborane, means B2H6, this diborane is act as like BH3. It gives trialkyl borane. It gives trialkyl borane. After that, oxidation of trialkyl borane, it gives trioxy trialkoxyborane. Further, the hydrolysis on trialkoxyborane, it gives primary alcohol, that is propane 1 all. Here this reaction or the stoichiometric of the reaction is not proper. Here the three molecules of alkenes are used. Three molecules of alkenes are used. Next, hydrolysis of alkyl halide. Alkyl halide on treatment with aqueous sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, it gives alcohol. It is known as hydrolysis of alkyl halide. This reaction forms alcohol by replacement of the halogen atom by a hydroxyl group. So the general example of hydrolysis of alkyl halide is Rx plus OH. It gives ROH plus X minus. So the example is given below. When methyl bromide treated with sodium hydroxide under the reflux condition, it gives methanol with the removal of salt like NaBr, that is sodium bromide. Here there are so many examples. You all are do it at home. Like what happened when tertiary butyl bromide treated with potassium hydroxide under reflux condition. You all are have to comment the product of this reaction in the comment box of YouTube, and on the basis of this comment I'm considering your attendance. It is compulsory for all the student, and those who have not commented the product of alkane, I am considering that student is not attending the lecture, and I am going to mark that student as a absent for lecture. Okay, so Thank you so much.